Hi, I'm Terry Kovel. I'm down in our basement where we have a country store, sort of. We don't sell anything, we just collect. Lots of people like us. And I was out literally 2 weeks ago when I bought this sign. I don't need a sign, but I was fascinated because the sign was in Spanish. And I hadn't realized there were a lot of Hispanics in Ohio. The sign was made in Ohio by a C.S. Bell company who worked here. But they made grinders for tortillas and other products, and they were selling them in the 1920s. And this sign went, I guess, with the product down to Mexico, where they were selling, well, they were selling the grinders. The grinders, by the way, sold all over the world. It was a very big company, and they sold many kinds of equipment. They were still in business by 1974. So dating it is very difficult. We think it's about the 1920s because the sign changed colors from red to green. Sales went off with the green, so they switched it back to red, which is pretty funny. So it's a good sign. I don't know exactly what it's worth. I think it must be worth somewhere around $75. I paid less than that, of course. You know, you always want a bargain. So go out and look. You never know what you're going to find. It gives you a little history. Keep collecting. You never know what's out there at the flea markets.